Acknowledge how this body is feeling from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes, down your arms and your fingertips too. Just feel that inner spaciousness that is present within all of the cells of your body. Notice how there are some sensations more concentrated in one place than another. Like you might have a really good sense of feeling in your tummy. Maybe there are some emotions associated there. And maybe there's not as many sensations in other places like your elbow or the back of your head. So acknowledge where there's a concentration of sensation and a relative absence of sensation, and try to equalize it. Imagine filling that bodily space with a homogeneous, uniform field of awareness that does not discriminate between one body part or another. Bring your awareness fully, wholly, everywhere. Make it all feel like it's vibrating at the same rhythm, as if your whole body was becoming one frequency. And imagine that energy expanding beyond your skin. Let it permeate our hair, our clothes, our teeth, our eyelashes. Let it contain the seat or bed or floor that you're on. Imagine you are a source of vibration which starts to get everything around you vibrating with you. As if your whole room becomes the speaker of your soul, vibrating according to the music of the essence of your very being. And imagine that vibration carrying across to everyone around you. And then send it off to reverberate around the whole world. Imagine a sphere of influence rippling across your neighborhood, your town, your city, your state or province or territory, your country, your continent, your hemisphere. And as it goes around to the other side of the world, it concentrates to make an impact there, and starts reverberating all the way back around to your hemisphere, back to your country, territory, city, town, community, household, and right back to you. And you feel that your love has gone around the whole world, right back to you. And with that, you can open your eyes or stretch or wiggle your hands and blink. A short and sweet one today. Thank you.